I recently purchased the Baby Splat Mat for under high chair, and I must say, it has been a game changer in keeping my floors clean during mealtime. As a parent, I understand the mess that comes with feeding a baby or a toddler, and this product has been a lifesaver. Firstly, the design of the Splat Mat is absolutely adorable. The retro rainbow pattern adds a pop of color to my kitchen, making it an attractive addition to the space. It's refreshing to have a product that not only serves its purpose, but also looks great. The size of the mat, measuring 51 by 51 inches, is perfect for catching spills and food crumbs. It provides ample coverage under the high chair, ensuring that my floors remain protected. The waterproof feature is fantastic, as it prevents any liquids from seeping through and damaging the floor underneath. One of the standout features of this Splat Mat is its anti-slip properties. The bottom layer is equipped with a grip surface that keeps it securely in place, even when my child is moving around in their high chair. This gives me peace of mind, knowing that the mat won't slide and cause accidents. Cleaning the mat is a breeze. It's machine washable, which saves me a lot of time and effort. I can simply toss it in the washing machine, and it comes out clean and ready to use again. The material is durable and withstands multiple washes without losing its quality. While the Baby Splat Mat is overall a great product, there is one minor downside worth mentioning. The material is a bit thin, which means it may not provide much cushioning for hard floors. However, this can easily be resolved by using an additional rug or padding underneath the mat. In conclusion, the Baby Splat Mat for under high chair is a stylish and functional solution for busy parents. Its attractive design, generous size, waterproof properties, and anti-slip features make it an excellent choice for containing mealtime messes. Despite the thin material, its overall performance and ease of cleaning make it a worthwhile investment. Note: this review is based on my personal experience with the product and may vary for other users. I hope this review helps you in evaluating the Baby Splat Mat for under high chair. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.